Okay. Hello, everybody. Hello, Gela.
Hello!
I'm glad to see everybody here on the channel if you're watching this video. Я рад приветствовать всех, друзья, всех с наступившим 2021 Новым годом. Мы здесь занимаемся изучением английского языка и питона одновременно, но все-таки, наверное, языка Python. Here we're learning the Python language in English, so enjoy, just enjoy. Today is our second lesson, and let's go. Okay, let's go.
Let's go!
I will ask you, Gela, to start to create a new file and to share the link with me so I can type something.
Is it like here?
Yes.
Or yeah, Python name is, I guess, the 10th. Yeah. Oh my God, New Year.
Yes. Yes.
So great.
Finally, we finished this.
Crazy year.
2020. We finished this, and I hope.
Okay, share. Link.
I hope
I'm sending you.
Will be better.
We all hope so.
So, and one more thing, I will ask you to change the size of font.
As well.
In this file, in this REPL file too. Yes, thank you. So we're gonna start. I'm going to open the link, and our plan for today is to learn something new and to remember the previous lessons. So let's check out. I will type something. And you must see it. Okay. Happy New York. This is it. Okay, everything is nice. We're gonna talk today about for the first, we will remember previous lesson. The second is to solve some tasks, and the third one is to learn the new thing. It's called conditions. Conditions, it's almost like in our obvious life, is when something happens. If something has happened, we will do something. For example, if we have minus 40 outside, we will sit down at home, yes, and something like that. So it's just typical for Siberia, yes.
Yeah.
So we're gonna learn how conditions can change our program, how computer can understand what is going on in our program and do something like this or that, or what we will consider for him. If this yes. So the first thing I will remember that there is something like variables in Python. Переменные. В Python у нас есть. It's something like storage. We can save some data there, and we can use it. For example, I will create the variable number, and then I can ask Python to show me the number, and it will be 9. So you can see it here. Okay, and also variables can we can also create variables, string variables, yes, something like names. We tried it also. This is it. And something to calculate. We started to calculate something, to multiply something. For example, we can create another number 2, for example, yes. And then I can show the sum. I can get the sum. No problem. Also, I can multiply. I can divide, and I can subtract. Yes, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think we remembered almost everything. We are not talking about the total library right now. It's not so important, but I will show something interesting that we can multiply strings. Multiplying strings, I will write down I'm not sure. Multiplying, you can you can write down if I'm not correct.
No,
Yes.
no, it's okay.
Multiplying
Okay.
string. Something interesting. I can create, for example, star. Star will consist of only one symbol, and then I can star, for example, multiply 5, and I will see 5 stars.
Ooh, interesting.
So,
Okay.
it's the frequently we have mistakes here in some. I will show you. I will show you, and you will just understand me. We frequently have some mistakes if we do this. We have apostrophe, yes. Am I right? So, and then we will not get the result that we expect. We expect the sum, to get the sum, but we just get слияние. Они просто сливаются.
Ooh.
Okay.
Why though? Because we have these things.
Yes, we have apostrophes or something like.
Yeah.
I have I have the paper sheet, but I can't find here. It's from the previous our lesson. Yes, but I can find. I think it is apostrophes because I remember these things are called parentheses. Yes, not brackets.
Parentheses.
Parentheses. So I guess these are apostrophes. Okay, we
or I guess single quotes as well. I'm not sure. Apostrophe, it is a linguistic term, so it might be just the single quotes. Whatever. I guess whatever.
Single quote or apostrophe, and we will understand each other. Okay.
Okay.
So if sometimes we have this problem that we are getting the string and we must change the type of data to the integer. Integer is the number, целое число.
So yes. I remember.
So I was sure, but I must say it. So if we get the string, we can do something like this. I say that we are converting this to integer value, and we have another type of data, and we have another поведение.
Behavior.
Yes, we see another behavior of our program. Thank you. So something is lagging.
Yeah, I don't see anything that you're doing on this. Can you see the screen that nothing is here?
Yes. Okay, I will just push F5 button and hope that everything will be okay. Refresh the page and try one more time.
I see you. Okay.
Yes, okay. So here I'm converting to the integer because remember int is integer. So, and now you can see the behavior is correct if we want to sum up. If we want to sum up, we get the 5 plus 10. Okay, so about the calculations, maybe some task. I want you to remember that. Так, вот тут я перейду на русский, я вот тут не подготовился. У нас программирование, у нас информатика. Такая штука. У нас 1 байт, например, да, содержит 8 бит. Ну, когда мы переводим в килобайт, обычно кило это 1000, ну, нифига.
Да.
Мы имеем килобайт, это 1024. И, значит, в чем заключается задача? I will try to translate. 1 byte consists of 8 bits, Not sure. And one, I will write down.
Kilobyte. Kilobyte.
Oh, yes, 8 bits, and 1 kilobyte consists of 1024 bytes, and so on, so on, so on. Yes. For example, 1 gigabyte consists of
I don't see. You're typing. Okay, okay, I see
Yeah.
everything now.
I forget about the megabytes. So, and right here and something else. And your task is to print something like памятка, cheat sheet. Yes, I think something like.
Oh, I don't know.
We can call it, I think, cheat sheet.
Okay.
Yes, thanks. Cheat sheet. So we have only one variable here. We have only one variable, and it is for example, it's just called number. Okay. 8.
Okay.
Just my imagination today is amazing. Yes. What we have to do, we need to print the number of bits in 1 kilobyte, in 1 megabyte, and 1 gigabyte. Okay? Количество битов в одном килобайте, в одном мегабайте и в одном гигабайте. And you can use number if you want. If you don't want to use it, you can delete this. Is it correct? Do you understand the task?
So I basically, I need to, write the full list of, I got it. How many bits is in kilobyte, megabyte, and gigabyte?
Yes. Okay, the magic is here, and the Gelu just solved in 1 second this task. Okay, I hope that you also solve this task. It's very easy, just some mathematics, some magic, and you can do this very easy. So if you are from Novosibirsk State University, it's just and you got it. So we can we can go on. We can go on. And
let's move on.
I'll show you some interesting things. Also, a frequent mistake when we do something like we're creating string, and I write something just to divide. But I creating the string. I am creating the string. For example, I hate 2020, as we all.
Oh my god.
And then I forget to place a single quote in the end of the line, and I will see the mistake, and it is easy to understand when you see the name of the mistake. You can go to the line, so you see at the right line 36. Python is helping us, helping to guess us. Yes, he's very clever. He's helping to guess where is the mistake, and he is writing. He wrote the type of this mistake EOL. It's the end of the line. End of the line while scanning the string. Okay, he doesn't get the end of the line. So if you see end of the line error, that means that something isn't okay with your quotes. You can be almost sure that is this problem. Okay, so here we talking about the end of line error. Okay, and something new. We're gonna talk about conditions and solve some interesting tasks. So, conditions in Python. I will show you. The example, and I hope you will understand this. For example, I have some number number 10. Number equals 10, and then I'm not sure about what is this number. We can see with you, but maybe our program does not understand what is the value in this number. So I will write down, if the number is more than 10, I will print that this number is positive. So just very easy. If the number is if number is more than 0, not more than 10, not more than 0, positive number. So we're just writing down some code that will print what is our number. Is it positive or is it negative or is it equals 0? Okay. Okay, if the number is more than 0, we will print this text. If the number is less than 0, we will print number
is negative.
Is negative, yes. And then you can finish this. If the number equals, I will help you with equals. Equals is 2 equal signs, not 1, but 2.
What?
If you want to equal 2 equal signs, 2.
What?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. I didn't get that. And I'm saying print. Okay. How do I get the second whatever that is?
You can delete and okay, I got it.
No,
Go to
wait
the
a minute.
one more time, because we have just different settings about the indents. У нас разные настройки отступов. Зайди в настройки и установи там 4 отступа.
Кого? Так.
Indent size. Indent size.
Tabs.
No.
Indent size.
Size 4.
4. Okay.
Oh,
something changed.
Let's run and check it out.
What?
Let's run the program and check out what's
Okay.
So we can see that the number is positive.
Yeah, number is positive.
Okay, and please change now the value of the number in 39 line, and you will see that it's working correct if the number is negative or number equals 0.
No, wait. I mean, for example.
Yes.
No, wait. No, well, can I? Yeah, number is negative. If we're making it a 0, we have number is 0.
And so on. We also can try to equal some strings, for example. String.
Equate some strings.
Сравнить. Мы можем попытаться сравнить.
Compare.
Yes, we can try to compare if it is equals or not here. If our string equals yes, we will show ваша строка, your string. I will type in English. No. Yes, and also I will show you another part of the statement. This is the if statement. I also can have else statement. Else is something like if it is not da, if it is not yes.
Yeah. It's something else.
We will do something else. For example, we will print something strange here.
Mhm.
And now I will just wait a bit. I will do some magic. I will do some magic. Yes, and now I think we can go on. We can run this and see.
Multiplying strings in this invalid syntax. In
It's
multiplying
mine.
strings.
It's mine. I will. Yes, your string.
Your string da.
It works. Yes, and
Okay.
I will show one more before the tasks. One more thing. If you will have the
capital letter.
Yes, the capital. Thank you. The capital letter. It is another string. Okay, it's not the same. So think about it when you want to compare the strings. Yes. So our task number 2 is about the Trump block in Twitter.
Amazing. Trump ban.
We will believe that the Trump block was just because he had a lot of tweets and he reached the limit and just not any politics. So we have the number of tweets, and if it is more than some number, you can imagine what it is and just create the variable that limit of tweets. You will write it here. And if our number of Trump tweets is more than the limit, we will print that you are blocked. Sorry, Donald Trump. If it is not, we will print something like, okay, you can tweet something else, but be careful.
Yeah. Careful with the jokes. If I'll just copy paste it. I'm sorry.
So everyone who is watching, you can pause the video and try to solve this task. Да, все, кто смотрит это видео, друзья, вы можете поставить на паузу, решить эту задачу. Ну, а Геля, как всегда, она решит за секунду, да, вы можете убедиться.
Oh, come on. No.
Yes. But we have
I need to say string.
The limit of tweets is an integer number, and in 16, 62, and 64 line, you try to compare integer and a string.
Okay, so I need to make it a string. Wait a damn minute. Of course. No, wait.
The limit of tweets is right string.
Yeah. I know.
No. You don't need a quote here.
Why?
You just need this to be a number. Because you will need to compare numbers, and the limit of tweets is number. Okay. And
I got it. Okay. Okay. Wait. No, I didn't get it.
Okay.
No, wait. If limit of tweets. If string equals yes. Well, yeah, it needs to be a number. It should be like an integer or whatever.
If you write down if you just write down the number, it will be the integer.
Yeah.
We can be sure about this if we use the type function. So you see class integer. It is an integer. Here everything is good, but here in now 61 line.
It shouldn't be in quotes, right?
Yes, without quotes.
Okay, got it. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. And now it's green because it's integer.
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay, so let's try and do something. You're good. Keep enjoying using the app.
Yeah.
Let's change it.
But I think something is not correct. I will show you the right decision. Yes, that's what's happened.
Well,
That's what's happened.
yeah, it is too much. You've just reached your limit. Ah, oh my god.
One.
Yeah, one more and you will be banned.
Yes.
Yeah, so I mean, what was wrong?
The point is we are not we can't understand correct why the limit of tweets, this variable is stands for current tweets. На самом деле твоя переменная, она отвечает за количество текущих твитов Трампа, по сути дела. Тебе ее надо либо переименовать, но, ну, как бы моя задумка была,
Да.
ты будешь ее сравнивать, ну, то есть ты будешь писать, что
Всё.
больше лимита. Okay, we just, I will ask you to create another variable and we will just compare two variables, okay?
Yeah, just number of, oh shit. Number of current number of tweets. Oh my god. Tweets equals I don't know. It can be like anything. Oh my. If current number of tweets.
Yeah, not the limit.
Yeah. That doesn't make sense. I'm sorry. That makes sense now.
Oh, so in this program, you can delete the limit of tweets variable because you don't use it. Yes.
So I can wait. Maybe I can do it like.
You can either delete, either use this instead of this number. Yes.
Okay, that makes sense.
And that's,
okay.
I think, a very readable program. Yes, it's very easy to understand what is going on here.
Yeah.
That if the current number of tweets is just like in English, in Russian, very easy to understand. So, okay, let's go. Another one, another task.
Вот что нашлось в интернете.
Yes, thank you. Another task is about, I think, I hope I'm right, акции, shares, yes, can I say that Tesla shares?
Stock.
Yeah, okay.
Ну, типа shares, наверное, тоже. Но stock вообще акции.
I just Googled
it.
Yeah, shares or stocks, I'm not sure. Okay, we will talk about Tesla and Elon Musk and Tesla shares, of course.
Amazing.
We just cannot don't talk. Не можем не поговорить об этом.
English has issues with double negative. We don't usually use it, so yeah, we cannot not talk about it.
Okay. We just need to talk about it. Yes.
Yes.
So task 3, and I'm not sure. Do you know that Elon Musk is now the richest one at the Earth? He is. He has
the richest person on the earth.
The richest person on the Earth. Yes.
Yeah, amazing. Really want to get politics into politics right now, but I won't.
Okay, and I will also hide the previous task in 3 single quotes, if we can say it, so it doesn't work. Yes, now we have the clear sheet. Something strange. Okay.
Yeah.
Tesla shares. What is the task? I will try to make you understand. I will. So imagine that we have bought some stocks or shares, and after some time we think if we want to, we don't think, we just have an algorithm because we are smart. We have the Python algorithm that is that helps us to make the decision if we want to buy more or if we just must sell this shit. Yes. Okay, so we have the number of shares number. It's the not the amount of shares, but how much shares we bought. Shares number. Okay.
It was a question. Yeah, shares number.
Shares number.
Number of shares. Number of shares. You cannot use like number of shares. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, it's just like some kind, not correct to say shares number. Yes, number of shares.
Yeah, it means
will be something that we are not. We don't know this. We will use the new library import random, and the number of shares is random number. Okay. And I use the rand int function because random integer, rand int.
Okay.
For example, from 1 to 10, and then I will print number of shares. And if you will run this program many times, you will see different results. You see?
Okay, perfect.
So something new. We have a random number of shares. And we just want to understand if we want to sell them or not. We just have two два варианта у нас.
Two options.
Two decisions, two options. Yes, to sell or not to sell. So you can use the if-else statement here. To solve or not to solve. Oh, to sell or not to sell. Sorry. So, so what do you need? You need the secret formula. Нужна секретная формула. How is changing the price of one share? So I will write down here the secret formula. Secret formula is something like that. We must multiply by 5, then divide by 10, then you just can see it here. So our number will change. And then we must decide do we want to sell it. Мне кажется,
if you want to sell it.
Условием, да, потому что нам надо думать условия немножко. We need to understand what
we need to think about the conditions. If we want to sell them or not.
If we want a good condition, we just can we just can decide that a good time to sell the share is when it is 10% more raised already. Если у тебя акция выросла на 10%.
If the price of the stock raised in 10%.
Yes. So, for example, it will be our condition to sell.
Okay. So, so this formula shows what? The secret formula shows what exactly? The price of the stock, or
sometime is passed away.
Some time ago.
We bought, for example, in at the 1st January of 22, we bought the share, and at the 1st January of 2021. The previous year you called 20.
1
year passed, and the price of one share
has changed.
Has changed with this formula. So
Okay. Well. No, wait. What? So we have, yeah, we bought for example, one stock I don't know, a year ago, and this formula shows how the price has changed this year. Or
number of shares in 2021 will be number of shares the previous, and then we will need to multiply 5 by 10. This is okay. Yes, this is it.
Okay, got it. So yeah, basically this is just a calculation for the current price of the shares, right?
Yes. You can call it.
Okay, thank you. This was my question, and yeah, I guess we can just copy it, right?
Yes.
And I need to come up with what, a number of shares in 2020, or what do I need? I need to come up with the number of shares in. Wait a damn minute. Wait, number of shares is a random thing. Make a decision. If we want to sell. Yeah, if you want our shares to sell or not. So we have some. Wait, I want to just.
It's just a difficult one, I think.
Да подожди, нет. Yeah, I got that, for example, but we have a certain, like, a number which is which is too much, and that's why we are not. That's when we are not buying and like we are selling, or I'm not quite getting it.
If the price of if the price of one number raised by more than 10%, we will sell it.
10%. Okay, yeah, I forgot about this. Okay, I'm sorry.
I will
Okay,
use
so
the text of the task because it will be easier with the text. Sorry.
Yeah, I just forgot about it completely. If okay, the number of shares in 2021. Is this like okay? Like this whole thing?
Yes, you can delete this and
Okay, so if the number of shares in 2021, if number of one share.
About do we need the number of shares, because it's just we can decide that we bought one share and
Price of one share in 2029.
maybe it will be a task to.
И оно должно быть дороже на 10. More.
Just
That number of shares. Я хочу сделать. Подожди. If number of shares. Can we pause the video?
Yes, it's not a problem. Okay, finally we solved this difficult task, because I think it was a bad task from me, and I will
Finally.
I will type the right text of this task in below the video. You will see it below the video and
in the description box below.
Description, yes. Thanks. So it was the last task for today. Thank you, Gela, and I will ask you to say some words about what have you learned today.
So I learned much more than the last time, and it was harder because now we have math, and math for me it's very hard. So since we have a screen recording, you can probably see how many minutes it took me to make the task, and that wasn't easy because yeah, there were a lot of variables. The last task, like the tasks became more interesting, and now I know more. since the last time it was like everything, I got everything. It's like, but this time it was, you know, a challenge, and I actually need to, you know, think a lot. And yeah, I'm excited about the further stuff as well, because yeah, I understand. I like the feeling of being stupid, because it means that I'm learning something new, and you're teaching well. So I think it's nice. And I felt stupid today, which is, you know, the goal is reached. So
yes, education.
thank you. Yes.
Student to feel stupid. Yes.
Mm.
We.
Yes. It was fine. It was, you know, some. Thank you.
Okay, thanks everybody for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and check the right task in description. Thank you, and have an amazing. I wish you to have an amazing 2021. Goodbye.
Yes.